Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 600 horsepower engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new dart block. Has all forged steel internals in there. Double roller timing chain, comp cams, roller lifter camshaft. We have the Edelbrock E205 aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Engine blocks painted red with the brass freeze plugs. Customer needed the rear sump oil pan. He has the rack and pinion steering, so he needed that. We installed that for him. Got the oil stick and tube. It's real nice red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. Cobra valve covers with the matching air cleaner. 427 badges on there. MSD distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. We have the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system on there. We'll set all the settings for the customer, be all ready to go, plug and play. Throttle cable ball on there, throttle return spring and bracket. We have the Ford Racing billet steel flywheel with the clutch alignment pins. Proper balance and tooth count for the 427 Ford. We will be installing the starter index plate on there for the customer. That'll be set. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there. We'll set the fuel pressure to 58.5 psi. We have the heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the AN fittings on there. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed on the intake manifold. We have the ground strap cable from the Sniper EFI to the cylinder head. That's set. It's a real nice polished Wraptor pulley kit. AC compressor on there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Self-tensioning belt tensioner. High flow aluminum water pump. Customer needed the driver's side lower hose on there. We installed that. Correct water pump. Correct thermostat housing. High flow thermostat. Coolant bypass hose. 160 amp. 1-wire hookup alternator. Power steering pumps on there. We have the proper pressure valve and the power steering pump for the customer's rack and pinion. We even installed the proper power steering fitting for his existing line. Will go right on there. All set. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We'll set up again the menu screen on the Sniper EFI. That'll be all set, ready to go. We check for leaks. Everything thoroughly done, 100% perfect. So there you have it. Again, our 427 Ford 600 horsepower engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.